Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, we are going to learn how to work a slip stitch. So we've learned how to hold our hook, make a slip knot, and work some chain stitches. Now the slip stitch is mostly used to join your work together at the end of a round or to join pieces together. Okay, so to work a slip stitch, I'm going to join this little chain stitch. Okay, so this is the first chain stitch that I worked, and we went in this direction. So now I'm going to insert my hook into that first chain stitch, and then I'm going to grab my working yarn. Okay, so yarn over, which is just grabbing your yarn, and then pull it through the chain stitch, and then you also want to pull through the loop that's already on your hook. Okay, so that is a slip stitch. I'm going to slip stitch into the next stitch just to show you again. So right into the next chain stitch, I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull it through that chain stitch, and then I'm going to pull through the loop that's already on my hook. All right, so that is how you work a slip stitch. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.